Government of India, young and dynamic leader, Mr. Ram Mohan Naidu, Honorable Minister of Roads and Buildings, Infrastructure and Investment, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Janardhan Reddy Garu, Secretary, Minister of Civil Aviation, Government of India, Sri V. Uvallan Garu, Chief Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Neerab Kumar Prasad Garu, Secretary, Investment and Infrastructure, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Suresh Kumar Garu, and friends from industry. Drone industry is emerging. First time I am seeing so many industry and manufacturers, and also I am very happy youngsters from different universities have come here, and also professors, they are also here. I am very happy. This is the first of its kind. I remember very well, around 1995, mid-95, that is mid-90s, I used to talk about information technology. Nobody used to understand at that time my language. We were all traditional at that time. Around early 90s, internet has come. That is the contribution from Bill Gates. And at the same time, around 1995, I became Chief Minister. I took advantage of information technology. Just like this, we want to promote information technology. We don't have any clue. We had so many brainstorming sessions. Before that, only Bangalore, because of some natural advantage, they got some IT companies. Then by discussing with all industry giants and technology experts, everybody, first project, iTech City. That also has come not by spending money from government. It is a PPP model, public-private partnership model, first of its kind in India at that time. Without spending money, we created iTech City. Creating iTech City is a wonderful idea, but what to do with that? Then I went to America for 15 days. I met all corporate giants of technology experts and giants, including Microsoft. At that time, Google is not there, and also Lucent Technologies, so many relevant at that time, everybody I met. I told them only one thing. India is very strong in technology. Reasons are two. British people, while going, they have taken some money, or even my Kohinoor diamond, that is from Andhra Pradesh, but they left English to us. That is the biggest advantage even today. Highest population who is talking English, only India, no other country is having this advantage. Second advantage, we are very strong in mathematics. Zero is innovated by Indian. These are all deadly combinations in information technology. This is where I convinced Bill Gates also and brought Microsoft to Hyderabad at that time. That is a story. I am always thinking ahead of times. All youngsters has to understand this. At that time, nobody used to talk about IT. There was a problem of telecommunication sector. I tried 3 successive prime ministers Finally, Atal Bihar Vajpayee ji accepted. That is the report I have given, deregulation of telecommunication sector because of bandwidth problem. Everybody used to heckle me at that time, why cell phone, all these things. Before that, even cell phones, 20,000 rupees, because of scaling, it has come to 2,000 rupees. Now it is a story, it is a reality. Smartphones, everything has come. That is how we have innovated so many things at that time. I strongly believe Indians are very strong in information technology and knowledge economy. You name pharma, you name biotechnology, you name other leading technologies, Indians are very strong. So here, I wanted to tell all of you one thing. We are very happy to have this summit. This will be a game changer in future. How it is, I want to explain one thing. Today, Andhra Pradesh has always been at the forefront of adopting cutting-edge technologies to address modern challenges. Today we have advanced drones, CCTV cameras, mobile phones, apps, satellite data, wearables, multiple other IoT devices. These devices are recording and analyzing information on a runtime basis. I spoke about IT at that time. Then everybody at that time, they used to do only job work. I used to talk about not only doing job work, you have to go for products. Then some people have gone to certain extent for products. Then I used to talk, don't be a job seeker, be job provider. That is where I promoted entrepreneurs. Today I am proud to say, Indians are getting highest per capita income anywhere in the world. Among Indians, 30% are Telugu community. I am proud to promote this. It is only in one idea. It is only 25 years. Money is not the constraint. As Ram Mohan Naidu has rightly mentioned, at that time, Hyderabad, wherever I go, people used to ask me how to come to Hyderabad. Even sometimes they asked me, which Hyderabad? There is one Hyderabad in Pakistan also. They used to ask me which Hyderabad. I used to say, Hyderabad in India. Then they used to ask me how to come. Come to Delhi or Bombay. Overnight you stay there. Morning you come. Complete the business, go to Bombay. Again midnight you have to catch the flight. Then they used to ask me, why should we come to your state? We can do business in Bombay. That is more convenient for us. Then I tried for open sky policy at that time. There are no flights. At least Ram Mohan Naidu is very happy now. So many flights and secretary also so happy. Then I asked the then Prime Minister, open sky policy, first flight from Emirates has come to Hyderabad. I built traffic first. Then I want to go for airports. We don't have money. Airport authority are not willing to spend money. What to do? Then I created a concept that is Greenfield Airport. I acquired 5,000 acres for that airport. I convinced the then Prime Minister Vajpayee ji to go for Greenfield Airport. Now all airports, one by one, so many private airports are coming. I am very happy now.